And just last night, I turned on my side. A funny feeling in my stomach didn't sit right. You were out like a light, oh wait, not quite. Heard you mumbling a name, sorta like Delilah. Light my fire, you're the only one that I desire. So I waited for my chance to get you alone. Now we're speeding on the road, and I got you on the passenger side. I'm driving faster, I got a question for you. Is that the girl calling the one I saw the picture of her? Are you sleeping with her? Do you think about her? I'm about to burn her up, I hope you see the belts tight. I'm driving faster, I got a question for you. Is that the girl calling the one I saw the picture of her? Are you sleeping with her? Do you think about her? I'm about to burn her up, I hope you see the belts tight.
Please slow down, I don't wanna crash. I don't wanna crash. I don't wanna crash. Please slow down, I don't wanna crash. I don't wanna crash. I don't wanna crash.
It was at midnight when it crossed my mind that it wasn't just a crank call on the house line. I pressed star 69 and it rang 4 times. Then I heard a machine saying that you reached Delilah. I let you fire, I'm the only one that you desire. So I waited for my chance to get you alone. Now we're speeding on the road, and I got you on the passenger side. I'm driving faster, I got a question for you. Is that the girl calling the one I saw the picture of her? Are you sleeping with her? Do you think about her? I'm about to burn her up, I hope you see the belts tight. I'm driving faster, I got a question for you. Is that the girl calling the one I saw the picture of her? Are you sleeping with her? Do you think about her? I'm about to burn her up, I hope you see the belts tight. I'm gonna go faster, I'm gonna crash, yeah. Better give me an answer on my question, I saw the picture of her, are you cheating with her? Tighten up your seatbelt, I'm about to push the pedal. I saw the picture of her.